Good morning. Today's topic is multiple alleles. As we all know, allele is an alternate form of a gene. And we know alleles are actually the traits present on homologous chromosomes. And we know in every individual, for a particular character, there are two alleles. This we call as pair of alleles. When we see some of the traits, we can see more than two alleles. They control one character. We can see this in different individuals. That means if I take one individual, I could find two types of alleles in that particular individual. For example, we take it as A and the other one is B. And I am taking the second individual on the same homologous chromosome. I could find A and C. So we can say that for a particular gene there are three alleles now, A, B and C. Such conditions are known as multiple alleles. You will get a clear idea when you see blood grouping in human being. You know, in human being there are different types of blood groups such as A group, B group, O group, AB group, etc. Actually these A, B, O group, all these are decided by the type of antigen present on the red blood cells. Antigen or the type of protein. Here you can see the blood type A. They are having an antigen, A type antigen on the surface of RBC. Whereas in the type of B blood group you can find another antigen, that is B. AB blood group, we can see both A antigen as well as B antigen on them. And the O blood group system is on the RBC there are no antigen. Take blood group A, they have an antigen A on them. Blood group B, they have an antigen B on them. And the blood group O, no antigen. If you take an individual with blood group A, we can see two type of individuals. One is homozygous, where on the chromosome both the alleles are of A type. See a heterozygous A blood group. One is A dominant. Let us take small a. This blood group is also A. Whereas if you see the blood group B, see two possibilities. The same position, instead of A, here it is B. In heterozygous, we can see capital B. Let us take small b as its recessive one. When we go genetics of this particular blood grouping, we can see that the blood grouping allele is written as I. The superscript we write IA for blood group A, which is homozygous. For the blood group heterozygous A, we write capital A and small I. The small I is the recessive one. There is a blood group with both small I, which will be an O blood group. We can see B blood group by capital B, capital B, capital B, small I. So altogether, if we take on a homologous chromosome at a particular place, we can have A, B as well as its recessive one, that is O. So there are more than two alleles, IA, capital IB or small I. Any one can occupy this position. So such conditions are known as multiple alleles. These are examples of multiple alleles such as eye color in Drosophila. You can see capital W as well as small w. Over that you can see we are writing small a, CH, PL, etc. So on a particular homologous chromosome at a particular site we can see capital W, small w, W and capital small a, W and BL. So many alleles can occupy this position. So such condition is multiple allele. Blood group in human, already we had discussion on this. Seed storage protein in wheat is an example of multiple alleles in plants. So multiple alleles, more than 2 allele, control one character.